Are you tired of having your PC running slow? So, in this video, we will make your PC or laptop run really fast like it never run before. If you have Windows 7, Windows 10, you can apply all those tips. So make sure you watch the video from tip number 1 to the last tip. Let's go. So first tip, you open run and then you type in recent. Okay, and then you click OK. You will see that page with lots of files and you can highlight all of them and just delete all. Okay, so we delete all those files and then we close the window and then we go back to run again and then we write down the command tree, TREE, and then we click OK. So you will see that running thing running fast in the background. That's clearing some cache and cookies, and then we go back to run again and then we write down Msconfig and then we press OK as well. It will open this page. We go to boot and then we choose advanced settings, advanced options, and from there we use the number of processors. We click on number of processors and then we choose the highest number we have in our system. Some of you will have 8, some of you will have 4, some of you will have 14, 16, and then we click OK. And then we go back to other option, which is the startup, and then we click on task manager. So we make sure everything that we don't use are disabled. So like I'm not using Skype, so I'm gonna disable Skype. I'm not using Spotify, my Spotify disabled. And then Xbox as well servers, I'm disabling them. So if you do have more, you can disable the things that you are not using. And then we go to services and we make sure that we hide all the Microsoft services first. And then we can untick all of those and leave the antivirus on, because all those softwares are running in the background. So basically you are not deleting them, you just untick them so they will not be running in the background. But if you leave the antivirus on, it's worth it. I'm selecting few. You can follow me on selecting the same, or you can untick all of them. They will not damage anything in your operating system. You can untick all of them and leave just the antivirus on, so you can just operate normally. Okay. And then we press apply and OK. So that's it for this section. And then they ask, you will see a small window saying restart. I'm not restarting now. I will start again. I will start at the end of the video, so I will not cut my video. So now we move to the search box. We write down services. When we write down services, you will see it pop up on the top. You click on it. You go to the bottom. You go to the bottom of the page. You will find Xbox. I'm not using the Xbox basically software, so I'm gonna disable all of them. So I will disable all of them, and then we go up to the middle, almost to the middle. We find the Hyper-V. We disable all the Hyper-V, everything under the Hyper-V. I think it is 8 or 10 lines, those 10 lines, yeah. So you just disable all of them as well. You don't need them. Apply and click disable and repeat that process to those above. I did that already, so we can just skip this and go close the window. And then you can go to the search box again, task manager, and you go to performance. Just leave performance, go to startup, you just make sure that everything is still there, disabled as you left it, because you did some changes. They might be changing in this window as well. So you make sure that everything is disabled here as well, and then you just close everything. Hide, no, close, and then you go to PC. So you go to this PC, left click, properties. You see this page, go to advanced system settings, and then you select settings. This page will pop up. You select adjust the best performance, and you have to tick those three, because if you don't tick them, your Windows, the font will look so funny. So you have to basically click on all of those three, so you will have a smooth looking system, you know, a smooth looking window basically. And then you click OK. You close the window. From settings, you click on it, you go to the network and internet. You will see the advanced network settings. You choose change adapter options, and then you click properties. Choose the TCP/IPv4. You go down to the DNS, and then you click the use the following DNS server addresses, which is 111.10.0.1, and that's what you want to use because it is the fastest DNS in the world until this moment. Go back to the main screen. You have to go to the notification and actions, and you just press on those. You put them off because you don't need those are playing on the background. They will just slow down the system. You make sure the notification from apps or other senders are off, and untick all of those under the notification as well. You go to the battery. If you have a laptop, go to the battery and turn battery saver on automatically, turn it to never. We select shared experiences. We make sure that my device only, and then we can leave that on. Actually, the second one we can leave it on, but you just choose my devices only. And then we that's it for this section. We get out, we go to gaming, Xbox. If you don't use it, make the same and tick it, and then put the switch off as well. We go back, we left click taskbar settings. We go to the themes. Yeah, click on the themes. We change that theme. We select pictures. We don't select like a slideshow because that's too much, taking too much from the RAM as well. So we use picture. You can put any picture you like, from the window or from the internet, whatever you like it. From we make sure the lock screen is picture as well, and then we make the fun facts and these tips and stuff off because we don't need unnecessary stuff going on in our system. We make sure the show lock screen background is off as well, and we move the automatically pick account. So in the background, when you type down your password, make sure it is a color. It is one color. We go to start and we make sure the show apps list is off. All of them. We put all of them off because they are just extra stuff going on. You don't need them basically. So all those tips are combined. When you combine them all, they will make a huge difference in the performance in terms of the speed. We go to our properties. We go to properties and we click on taskbar. We make sure that everything under people are just switched off. So multiple display is off. We leave multiple display. We go to people and make sure that everything is off in there. And then we close it. And here you go. So here you go. You have a fast operating system now. So you can apply all of those changes by restarting the Windows. Okay? Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, then do not forget to subscribe and put the thumbs up. See you in the next video.